Hi, my name is Adam Finer, and I'm really looking forward to the Marketing Analytics Summit in London, where I'll be doing a workshop, Mastering Looker Studio for Marketers. During the workshop, we'll be focusing on two main areas. Firstly, mastering Looker Studio, Google's free-to-use business intelligence tool. So we'll be discovering how to connect to data sources from various places. We'll be seeing how to analyze and visualize your data. And then finally, to build dashboards, interactive dashboards that you can share with stakeholders. So that's the first part. The second part is solving one of the main pain points of marketers. That's to learning how to bring data together from lots of different marketing platforms into one place in order to get a global 360 view of marketing performance. So I am so excited to meet all of you at this workshop at the Marketing Analytics Summit, where there'll be loads of great live speakers and workshops like the one that I'm doing.